honor you, kilala kita, but I have a little bit of a trust issue with you right now. So paano nyo ngayon sasabihin sa Koreano at saka sa ADB na okay plano nyo, okay consultation nyo, gagawin yung 2 oras traffic namin, lipat nyo opisina nyo doon, kayo tumira doon. Ko siya, huwag nyong ituloy yung isa nyong rota. Bakit? Ilang libong ancestral house ang gigibain nyo sana? 1,600. So nilipat nyo sa General Santos, ginawa nyong 6 to 8 lanes. Despite that, traffic pa rin ngayon. Now, because last year, we had a coffee date. At sabi ko sa iyo, Secretary, magpupuyat ba tayo and isa-isahin ko pa ba to sa budget hearing o mag-uusap na lang tayo? Sabi mo, ano concern nyo, Senator? Sabi ko, yung Laguna Lakeshore Highway, during the time of Pinoy, PPP yan. During the time of Pinoy, kami ay kinonsulta sa Senado, kinonsulta ang local government, kinonsulta congressman, hindi nyo kami kinonsulta. You said you will go to my office. I said, no sir. We will all go to your office. January, pumunta sa iyo si dating Deputy Speaker Rani Abu, who's my Chief of Staff sa CA and agreed to help me for a time being. Pagpunta niya sa iyo, sabi mo, Rani, hindi tuloy ang project. Nag-hearing tayo last month, tinanong ko kayo. Sabi mo, ay gusto kasi ni Presidente kaya tuloy. Sabi ko sa iyo, Secretary, hindi ma-aprobahan ni Presidente yan na wala kayong memo to the President na hindi nyo tinulak. Ang Presidente kahit may gusto, magpapa-complete staff work yon. So umabot na tayo today, wala pa rin ako naririnig sa inyo. So pasensya na po tayong lahat, I have to ask these questions. So did you consult the City of Calamba about this project?
Apparently, Mr. President, the City of Calamba was actually, the representatives were consulted.
Okay.
But of course, that's just what they
No, no,
tell us now.
That's okay. I'll take their answer face value. Did you consult, ano pa bang dadaanan? Dadaanan ba San Pedro?
All the LGUs that will be
So hindi ko na isa-isa.
part of that route was
Okay.
consulted.
So kung kinonsulta nyo lahat, bakit hindi nyo kinonsulta ang Taguig? 8 kilometers ang dadaanan sa Taguig, sisirain yung buong view ng lakeshore ng Taguig.
Mr. President, supposedly, there were meetings conducted by DPWH. The City of Taguig was represented and led by Engineer Eric Castro, Ms. Lou Ancheto, Engineer Jericho Arsenio Flores, and
Yes.
Engineer Jerome San Pedro,
Madam
etc.,
Chair,
etc.
they sent me a letter stating that. But yung aking ang coffee date with the secretary sa Sofitel, I told him that, Mr. Secretary, ang consultation, tatanungin nyo sila sa project. Tatanungin nyo, maganda, ano. Hindi yung sasabihin nyo, eto plano, ano comment nyo. So sinabi ko na, sinumbong ko na sa inyo, Mr. Secretary, na ang ginawa ng mga tao nyo, nag-appointment, ng tambak ng pera, ng dokumento, pero hindi tunay na consultation. So let me ask you this. Saan maglalanding yung Laguna Lake Highway sa Taguig? Saan kayo mag-e-exit? Sa Bikutan, tama ba? Sa Bikutan ba kayo mag-e-exit? Oh. Yes or
Mr.
no? Para
President,
mabilis
they're
tayo.
conferring with each other right now. Mr. President, supposedly sa Lower Bikutan,
Yes, papunta dun sa General Santos Avenue, tama ba?
Sa General Santos Avenue? Yes.
yes, Mr. President.
Okay. Wag na natin yung kahabaan ng General Santos Avenue, ha? Yung lang intersection ng ML Quezon at General Santos, less than 1 kilometer. Ilan minutes na traffic sa ngayon? Alam nyo ba? Doon ako nakatira, kaya alam ko. At sinabi ko kay Secretary. Oh. It's 30 minutes for less than 1 kilometer. Hindi pa todo rush hour yun. Kaya sabi ko kay Secretary, Secretary, may problema tayo doon. Baka kailangan yung maglagay ng flyover. Eto problema. Ang DOST hindi basta pumapayag sa flyover kasi may mga equipment sila doon na pag nag-shake, naapektuhan, kaya hindi sila pumayag sa subway. So paano nyo ngayon sasabihin sa Koreano at saka sa ADB na okay plano nyo, okay consultation nyo, gagawin yung 2 oras traffic namin, lipat nyo opisina nyo doon, kayo tumira doon. Gagawa kayo ng highway, sasabihin nyo sa lahat ng taga Laguna, 15 minutes, 30 minutes na lang. Eh, hindi nga makakatawid ng kalye ngayon ng 20 minutos eh. O anong original plan nyo dyan? Hindi ba 4 lane lang yan? Sa panahon ni Secretary Villar, pinakiusapan ko siya. Huwag niyong ituloy yung isa niyong rota. Bakit? Ilan libong ancestral house ang gigibain nyo sana? 1,600. So nilipat nyo sa General Santos. Ginawa niyong 6 to 8 lanes. Despite that, traffic pa rin ngayon. So aanhin natin ang highway dyan. Ilan lanes yung highway?
Mr. President, I think this is a very detailed consideration. No, but I would like, and also to help our colleague, I would rather that the representative from DPWH answer it directly. Senator Cayetano really has a valid reason to raise this issue about the construction of this Manila Bay project, a Laguna Lake project that is actually affecting Taguig and Pateros. So, Mr. President, what the discussion is now, it's not the particulars of where the exit will be or what the technical the details are, but that they will go back to a discussion and the drawing board where what the concerns are of the people of Taguig and Pateros, and also what the real plans are of the DPWH. Kasi tama din yung sinabi ni Senator Cayetano. Siyempre, kailangan nila ng permiso dito sa kanila, sa mayor, pipirma. Kung hindi naman pirmahan, dahil nga hindi maayos ang pagkakadetalye ng plano, magiging kasalanan pa ngayon nila na hindi nila pinayagan ng proyekto na to. Pero ang totoo nun ay kulang-kulang ang detalye. So pumayag naman si Senator Cayetano na pagbigyan muli ang DPWH na to redeem themselves and to go back to the drawing board and to talk to him.
And with the permission of Senator Cayetano and Secretary Bonoan, the chair would like to preside over such a meeting and understanding with respect to the technicals and the specifics of the project.
Thank you.
Senator Cayetano.
Yeah, I'd like to thank you, Mr. President. Pahabain na natin mula Taguig, paabutin na natin ng Sursogon kung ikaw ang magpe-preside. I'm trying to make it light because I'd like to apologize to the DPWH family. I'm sorry if I'm emotional because this really affects lives. And may I just emphasize, Secretary, that we've asked this 1,000 times from the time we were congressmen to here. You've heard this since you were a junior officer in DPWH. Consultation means not only a dialogue or a meeting. It also doesn't mean that pag hindi pumayag, hindi matutuloy. But ibig sabihin, kunin nyo yung sagot. Kung ayaw, bakit? Then if the President overrules or you overrule, then we have a... Pag sinabing okay, okay. Kasi dito, Mr. Secretary, yung original plan was from Calamba to Taytay. So, may labasan lahat at may pakinabang din ang Taguig and other areas because mahaba yung highway. Ngayon, kung hanggang Bikutan, triple ang topic, dadaanan kami, natatamaan naman yung buong lakeshore namin. As you know, the most expensive property in the world is by the lake. And I had this discussion with Secretary Villar. When the DPWH made the road dike, na tinatawag natin C6 ngayon, there were 3 options. The DPWH chose the cheaper option. That's why there is 1,600 hectares outside the dike. At that time, it was only 1.1 billion pesos. Of course, no one knew that now Fort cost 1.4 million per square meter, and in Cayetano Boulevard, it's more than 100,000 per square meter. So now we yung polder dikes na pinangako ng DPWH nung panahon ni Secretary Villar, hanggang ngayon hindi natutupad. So that is why I want to make sure, but I'll put on record, I'm for this project. But yung tamang layo sa tubig at yung tamang dadaanan. So which goes to my point. I hope the point of consultation Maybe the secretary can issue a memorandum of what consultation is. Para klaro sa lahat. Number 2, yung namang highway na gagawin sa ibabaw ng Pasig River, is it called Parex? So can I now have a definitive answer? Because ang sinasabi sa akin parati, under study, I asked the City Hall, wala rin nagpo-consult pa sa kanila. Mahabang part ng Pasig River is Taguig, especially with the Supreme Court decision on the MBOS. So tuloy na ba yun? Hindi. Kasi I'll give you the same comment, not as emotional. What's the status talaga nun? Tuloy na ba yun o hindi? May decision na ba doon o wala?
Actually, there's still a consultation ongoing with regards to the final alignment with the PAREX, the Pasig River Expressway, and the Toll Regulatory Board.
Well, kami ma'am, the city has not made a stand. But our bishop of the Catholic Church of Pasig, Taguig, Pateros has made it known that he's against it unless he changes his mind. And many planners, urban planners have posted on their Facebook or have make it known na in Korea, tinanggal pa nila yung highway sa ibabaw ng river. So tayo, bakit natin papatungan yung Pasig River? Diba? So, again, let's take it up with the meeting with the Senate President. But may I ask that there will be proper consultation para hindi tayo humaba?
Since the DPWH is part of the Toll Regulatory Board, they will raise that issue with
So
them.
who is the main DOTR?
Yeah,
Okay,
DOTR.
so thank you for that. So I'll bring it up sa DOTR. But can you remind them also, Madam and Mr. Secretary? Okay.